Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how I can play Crimson Desert, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Crimson Desert easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Crimson Desert on here. After that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click onto this link from crimsondesert.pearlabyss.com. Here, you're going to click onto this purchase button at the top right corner of the page. And then you're going to select your platform here. If you're on a PlayStation 5, you're going to select PS5. If you're on Xbox, you're going to select Xbox. If you're on Steam, you're going to select Steam or Mac. Or if you want it on Epic Games, you're going to select Epic Games. So just select your platform. After that, select the edition of the game you want. So if you want standard or deluxe, select the edition. After that, just click on purchase on here and then it will redirect you to the Epic Games store where you'll be able to purchase the game. So just click on to pre-purchase or purchase on here, and then when the game becomes available in the next 3 to 4 hours, you'll be able to play it. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.